everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be sharing with you two of my ultimate favorite Italian recipes. The one is deep fried bread, Gnocco fritto, and the other one is grilled cheese, scamosa, even better. Okay, so let's start with the Gnocco fritto, which is the deep fried bread. It comes from the region of Emilia in Italy, and traditionally it's served as little snacks with a glass of chilled prosecco. Really simple, it's just flour, salt, yeast, water or milk, and then you just leave that for 2 minutes just to kind of activate. And a little bit of butter. In the olden days they loved lard, so if you've got a little bit of beef dripping in the fridge, then use that. I quite like doing this by hand, and I'm going to do the kneading by hand as well, but if you've got a mixer with the dough hook, it works just as well. And then you pop that in, and then you can bring it together with your hands. Oh, I've got a spoon here. Sure, those last little crummies are in there, all incorporated. Okay, so now it's all come together, which is great. It's very difficult to stop this, it's very therapeutic, but as you can see, it's just like so beautiful and silky. If you give it a little bit of indentation, it should come up again, but not like pop right out. And just rough. And really that's kind of it. And then you just pop them into the oil, which is what we're going to do. If the oil is at the right temperature, they should bubble up straight away. Look at those little pillows. So cute! I'm going to drain those onto some paper kitchen towel. And there we go. Can you see? How fabulous. Little bread crispy pockets. Ready to stuff your ham, salami, prosciutto. Okay, so now for the grilled cheese, the scamosa. I've got you can use any pan you want. I like to do it kind of quite authentic in the cast iron pan. All we need is the mozzarella. This mozzarella has a really nice, like kind of smooth texture with a lovely mild flavor, which really goes nicely with the next thing that I'm going to use with this, traditional caponata. Okay, so this is really decadent. And one last thing, a little bit of garlic, and that is traditional with scamosa. Tuck it in, tuck it under, and then, yeah, and it just needs that nice hot grill until it's like this hot, bubbling, golden yumminess. It's really, look at that. Yummy, cheesy deliciousness. Woo! Bellissimo! Bella!